How to choose your own ringtone on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. This section lets you manage all audio feedback, including ringtones and other alert tones. On this page, tap on the ringtone option to change your current selection. Now, tap on the Tone Store option. Then, select Tones at the very top. From here, you can browse, choose, and buy from thousands of ringtones and alert tones that are available on the Featured and Charts sections. Now, return to the ringtone menu, and you can also tap on Download all purchase tones to down all purchase tones. Alternatively, simply tap on a new ringtone. A check mark appears next to your selection, confirming the change. Once selected, your ringtone will be successfully changed. Following these steps, you can easily choose your own ringtone on an iPhone.